Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm going to be talking about this baby right here, and if you're interested in what I got this month and how I apply each and every single one of the products and my personal opinion about them, then please just keep on watching and let's see what this month brings, shall we? So I kind of did my eyes already. Still missing mascara and liquid eyeliner and blah blah blah. There is a product in the box that I really want to use for my eyes. That's why I left my eyes the way they are right now. So the first item that I'm taking out of the box is the Cover FX Blurring Primer, and this retails for $38, and it says a lightweight soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines and other imperfections, creating smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. So let's see if that is true. So I totally forgot to tell you guys, this is the theme for this month and it's called Boxy Bash, and in the bag it has a 50% off for Pure if you use the code BOXYMAY, and then 20% off for Cover FX if you use the code BOXY. Okay, so this is how it looks. Wonder if I got too much. My face feels extremely smooth and I can definitely see that it blurs out my pores. Hopefully this product doesn't irritate the heck out of my skin because I do have rosacea and my skin is very sensitive. So I'm definitely starting to look like a ghost. The next item that I'm taking out of the box is the Pure Sculpture Palette. Ooh, there goes the little... there goes the thing. Wow, I really like the scent. It smells really good. It smells like... I wonder if it's vanilla with something else. Not sure. Anyways, right away I can tell that this is going to be very dark on me, but let's give it a try anyways. The next item is this baby right here, and this is a brush from the brand Aesthetica, not sure how to pronounce it, P12. So the P12 face brush, it says with synthetic fibers that allow for maximum control, the P12 face brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. And this brush right here retails for $27. Damn, $27. Okay, totally forgot to tell you guys the Pure Sculpture Palette retails for $30. I love what it says in the mirror right here. It says you are the sculptor of your own destiny, and yes you are. Even though there are certain things that are completely out of your hands, I believe in luck, I believe in destiny, but I also do believe that you do have the power to change your destiny, if that makes any sense. Get the color Investigator and very lightly with this brush. Going to tap on that and let's see. Oh my, I already see a little bit in there, so let me get a little bit more and very lightly. That is definitely dark for me, but it doesn't look bad, so it's not that bad. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit of blush. So let me put a little bit of blush, and I'm gonna use Tarte Feisty. My goodness, I'm starting to look like Oompa Loompa here. Okay, so that should be enough. I'm going to put a highlight, and I'm gonna use the Originator, this one right here. Wow, I look like a glazed donut. If that's what you're going for, to look like a glazed donut, then I highly recommend this. I mean, the highlight is intense, very intense. I love it. A new favorite highlight, who would have thought? So anyways, so I'm going to do my eyebrows, and the next item that I'm taking out is this right here, and this is the 3-piece eye trio from the brand Aesthetica, oh geez, I don't know how to pronounce this. It says that this retails for $45. Okay. It says right here that the Aesthetica Trio series comes with an angle eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine tip eyeliner brush. Convenient 3-in-1, used for a wide variety of looks, from a subtle wing to a dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for fuller, more defined eyebrows. So let's do the eyebrows right now. I'm going to use the Brow Gel by Tonya Crooks. I also received this in a Boxycharm. Okay, so eyebrows are definitely done. I would have to say that yes, they're really good quality and I like them. This highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides a quick drying application with vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. So let's see if that is true. Use this brush right here to create. I am really impressed. Let me zoom in. For some reason, I thought it was gonna be way more complicated and able to create the eyeline, and boy was I wrong. Like, it's actually very simple to do. It says that it dries fast, but it gives you just the perfect amount of time enabled for you to create the line, or at least that's what happened to me. Like, it gave me the perfect time for me to create the eyeline, and I really like it. Now I'm missing the lips. So for the lips, I'm going to put the matte lip gloss. That is quite confusing. It's a matte, but then it's a lip gloss. There is no such thing as a gloss that is matte. Here retails for $10. This is from the brand Beauty Creations, and this is in the color, it says 17 Sweetheart. Smells like fruits, like a fruit punch. Okay. It's very sticky. And it's very dry on the lips too. I love the color, I love the scent, but I just hate the formula. I really don't like this formula. So overall, I really like this month box. My favorite products would definitely have to be the Pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner and the Pure highlight. Definitely the highlight is just blinding and it's beautiful. I love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a beautiful day, night, wherever you guys are and you're watching this video. Till the next one, guys. Ciao. The lipstick doesn't transfer. Another plus.